Which subject? Tell me. Number work. Number work subject children. Before class, so many numbers completed. And slate practice also completed. And textbook, notebook also completed. See, you have like this book, no? You open this book and you write at home already. So many pages completed, no? See here, number 1. This also completed. One tiger, one finger. Okay, this page also fill it. This page also fill it. I said already. But once again, I will remind you. So many children not writing it seems. Okay, you write fast, very slowly, children. Here see number 2. Dots up you write. 2 zebras, 2 fingers. First of all, you write on these dots. Afterwards, empty boxes fill it. Here also same. You write up dots. Empty boxes fill it. Okay. What number this is? Number 2. Number 3. Dots up you write. What number this is? 3. 3 cockroaches. 3 fingers. 3 number. First of all, you write on these dots. Okay. Afterwards, empty boxes fill it. Here also same like that only. You write on the dots. Afterwards, empty boxes fill it. What next? 4. 4 monkeys. 4 fingers. 4 number. You empty boxes also you write. Okay. Dots up. First of all, you write on the dots. Afterwards, empty boxes fill it. Here also same like that only. Okay, children. See 5 balloons, 5 number, 5 fingers. This girl showing no fingers. 5 fingers, 5 balloons, 5 number. You write on the dots. Afterwards, empty boxes fill it. Here also same like that only. Okay. What next? This before class, this page completed. No. Now today homework what? See here 6. What Nana? 6. Number 6. 6 rabbits. 6 fingers. Okay, children. Here 6 number is there. No. You write on the dots. Empty boxes also fill it. And here also same like that only. Write on the dots. Empty boxes also fill it. Okay. What next number? 7 number. Write on the dots. 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples. 7 fingers. Same. Write on the dots. Afterwards, empty boxes fill it. Same like that only. 7 number. Write on the dots. Empty boxes fill it. Okay, children? See, before class, numbers, so many numbers completed now. Textbooks completed. Now, notebook, children. See here, like this notebook, you have no check rule notebook. In that notebook, 0 to 20, how to write? See here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Before class, we are which like writing again 0, 1, 2, 3. But here see, be careful. 1 lay. When here 0 side don't write. Here 1 box leave and here you write. 1 lay. When 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 2020. 2020. Numbers. How to write on your textbook? 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1 11. 1 2 12. 1 3 13. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 20 20. See, you your notebook 0 to 20 like this you have to write. Okay children, here see slate practice. What today slate practice? 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25. Before class here to here completed. No, today class what? 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. Numbers 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. Okay children, you practice on your slate. You at home no slate practice you do 10 or 11 times. Okay, 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. Okay children, here see 0 to 40 oral. 0 to 40 oral. Already 0 to 20 how to write completed, and 21 to 30 slate practice completed. Here 0 to 40. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 2 0 20. 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. What next? 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39, 4 0 40. Numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10. 1 1 11, 1 2 12, 1 3 13, 1 4 14, 1 5 15, 1 6 16, 1 7 17, 1 8 18, 1 9 19, 2 0 20. 2 1 21, 2 2 22, 2 3 23, 2 4 24, 2 5 25, 2 6 26, 2 7 27, 2 8 28, 2 9 29, 3 0 30. 3 1 31, 3 2 32, 3 3 33, 3 4 34, 3 5 35, 3 6 36, 3 7 37, 3 8 38, 3 9 39, 4 0 40. 0 to 40 oral. Okay children, see one more book also you have children. Which book you have? Activity book you have. See, I show for you. You have means you learn at home. Okay. Children, this is your activity book, Mathematics, Junior KG. Okay, this is your activity book. You have now this book. Have means open this book and see here what having. Say to your mother and father name right say. Okay, and class also right say now. Okay, circle the pictures that remind you straight line. See where is straight line? This is straight line, huh? No, slanting line. This is straight line, huh? No, curved line. Here having no straight line. First of all, these dots up you have to write on these dots. Afterwards, you circle it. This straight line, you circle it. Okay, children? You understood, huh? Circle the pictures that remind you curved lines. See, where is curved line? See, this is curved line, huh? No, this is curved line. Yes, you circle it. Okay, children? You circle it. Okay? And what next page? Here see, name also same, all pages, name and class. Here see, join the lines with the correct picture. See here, join the lines with the correct pictures. See, where is the join the lines? See children, join the lines with the correct pictures. See here, horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line. Here see, horizontal line same like this have not there. Join means match the following. Okay, don't do confuse. Join the lines means match the following. Horizontal line where? Means sleeping line where? See, yes, here have no sleeping line. Here to here you matching you do. Okay, and here vertical line means standing line. Where it is? Here have. You do here to here matching. Slanting line. Where it is slanting line? Here to here you do matching. Okay, like this. Today I'll give 2 pages only. Tomorrow onwards I'll give 3 or 4 pages. Okay, children. Next class I'll say new numbers. You complete this all textbook, notebook, and what? Slate practice and activity book also. You at home now. Don't waste your time. Okay, you write, learn at home. Okay, children. Next class I'll meet you. We are going to learn about EVS subject, oral question and answers. Before class, which one completed? So many completed. Domestic animals, wild animals, common birds, insects, in the oceans, some more animals. This all completed, no? I'll start with common birds. I'll start with common birds. Okay? C-O-C-K, cock. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. C-R-A-N-E, crane. H-E-N, hen. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. D-U-C-K, duck. Common birds, cock, parrot, crane, hen, vulture, duck. Which bird can speak? Parrot. Name the birds that can swim. Duck. Which bird catches fish? Crane. Which birds lay eggs used as food? Hen. Name 2 beautiful birds. Parrot and crane. Okay, children? What next? Next one also common birds. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. S-W-A-N, swan. O-W-L, owl. C-R-O-W, crow. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Name 2 beautiful birds. Peacock and swan. Name 2 beautiful birds. Peacock and swan. Name the bird that makes holes in the trees. Woodpecker. Name the bird that cannot fly. Name the bird that cannot fly. Penguin. Name the bird whose feathers are beautiful. Peacock. Name the bird whose feathers are beautiful. Peacock. In the oceans. Octopus. Octopus. Fish. Fish. Shark. Shark. Dolphin. Dolphin. Whale. Whale. Turtle. Turtle. In the ocean. Octopus. Fish. Shark. Dolphin. Whale. Turtle. Name any two sea animals. Shark and dolphin. Name any two sea animals. Shark and dolphin. Name the largest sea animal. Whale. Name the sea animals used as food. Fish. Name the sea animals used as food. Fish. What next? Some more animals. Squirrel. Squirrel. Bat. Frog. Mongoose. Lizard. Snake. Some more animals. Squirrel, bat, frog, mongoose, lizard, snake. Name the animal that can fly. Bat. Name the animal that can fly. Bat. Name the animal that is poisonous. Snake. Name the animal that is poisonous. Snake. Name the animal that kills snakes. Mongoose. Near only, having no questions. Don't do confuse. Name the animal that kills snakes. Mongoose. Name the animal that crawls slowly. Snake. Name the animal that crawls slowly. Snake. Name the animal that lives both on land and in water. Frog. Name the animal that lives both on land and in water. Frog. Which animal eats nuts and fruits? Squirrel. Which animal eats nuts and fruits? Squirrel. Name a reptile you find on walls. Lizard. Name a reptile you find on walls. Lizard. What next? Insects. COCKROACH. Cockroach. HONEY. BEE. Honeybee. BUTTERFLY. Butterfly. MOSQUITO. Mosquito. ANT. Ant. GRASSHOPPER. Grasshopper. HOUSEFLY. Housefly. SPIDER. Spider. Insects. Cockroach. Honeybee. Butterfly. Mosquito. Ant. Grasshopper. Housefly. Spider. Name the insect that is green in color. Grasshopper. Name the insect that is green in color. Grasshopper. Which insects infect our food? Housefly. Which insects infect our food? Housefly. Which insect is often found in a flower garden? Honeybee. Which insect is often found in a flower garden? Honeybee. Name an insect that bites us at night. Mosquito. Name an insect that bites us at night. Mosquito. Name the insects whose wings are beautiful. Butterfly. Name the insects whose wings are beautiful. Butterfly. What next? Fruits. Fruits. T-E-R. M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S. Cherries. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-I-E-S. Strawberries. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. A-P-P-L-E. Custard apple. Fruits. Watermelon. Cherries. Coconut. Pomegranate. Orange. Strawberries. Custard apple. Fruits. Watermelon. Cherries. Coconut. Orange. Pomegranate. Strawberries. Custard apple. Which fruits do you like most? Which fruits do you like most? Tell me, children. Cherries. Which fruits do you like most? Cherries. I like cherries. What you like, you tell. Okay. Which fruits do you eat when you are thirsty? Listen carefully. Thirsty. Which fruits do you eat when you are thirsty? Watermelon. Which fruits do you eat when you are thirsty? Watermelon. Which fruits do you like most? Cherries. Which fruits do you eat when you are thirsty? Watermelon. Name two fruits that have seeds inside. See here, so many fruits having no here seeds. Where having? Tell me. Watermelon and pomegranate and orange and custard apple also. Yes, no, children? Yes, here see. Name two only here said no. That's why I am saying two. I will say, okay. Name two fruits that have seeds inside. Pomegranate and orange. Name two fruits that have seeds inside. Pomegranate and orange. Once again I will ask questions. Which fruits do you like most? Tell me. Cherries. Which fruits do you eat when you are thirsty? Watermelon. Name two fruits that have seeds inside. Pomegranate and orange. Okay, children? Next class, let's say new one. You learn at home this all. Okay? Domestic animals, wild animals, common birds, insects, this all. You learn at home, children. Okay? Next class, I'll say new one. We are going to learn about which subject? Drawing subject. Before class, so many diagrams completed. Types of diagrams. See, I'll start with which diagram? Ice cream diagram. See here. Standing line. Another standing line. Curved line. Sleeping line. And here small standing line. Here also small standing line. Sleeping line. What is this? Ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. This also completed before class only, but once again I will remind this all. Okay. This one, guess it, children. What is this? Yes, mango. Slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. Slanting line, round. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. What next diagram? Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. Here also slanting line. Round you have to give. Here 0, another 0, one more 0. 0, another 0, one more 0. What is this? Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. What next diagram, children? Tell me what next diagram? See here. Standing line, another standing line, slanting line, small standing line, curved line, here to here, like this. Here standing line, here also standing line. Which diagram? P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Pencil. What next diagram? Sleeping line, slanting line, slanting line, sleeping line. Here standing line, standing line, sleeping line, small standing line, sleeping line. Here fill it like this, slanting lines. Total you have to draw and fill it. You have to here like this. Okay. What is this? Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. What next diagram, children? You guess it, children. Circle. Circle. Yes, very good. Sun diagram. Which diagram? S-U-N, sun. Which diagram? S-U-N, sun. What next diagram? Tell me, children. What next diagram? Here to here. Here. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. See here. Ice cream. Mango. Pencil. Grapes. Lamb. Sun. And brinjal. What next diagram? Before class what I said? Oval. Curve. Here also curve. Pivot part. Pivot part. What children? Pivot part. Okay. Today new diagram. See, you guess it. Which diagram this is? Okay, children. Okay, children. What is this? Yes, watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. See, very easy, no? First of all, here, see, once again I will draw here. Small line I will draw. First of all, small circle. Afterwards, upside also. Like this small circle. Here, first of all, 12. 3 number. 6 number, 9 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here small zero you have to draw. Here standing line, arrow mark. Here also standing line, arrow mark. Here big standing line. Here also big standing line. Here 2 lines, slanting lines. Here also 2 lines, slanting lines. Here also big standing lines, slanting lines, slanting lines. See, watch, very easy, no? See which diagram completed? I see C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. M-A-N-G-O, mango. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. L-A-M-P, lamp. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. P-O-T pot. P-O-T pot. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. This watch diagram you practice on your slate. Okay children? Next class I will say new diagram. Okay.